Our friends, our Niva Mae, sent me this light set. It's a permanent light set that goes outside of your house, right? Like we've seen. I'm gonna put a video down here to show you how those lights look when they're permanently set on your house. They look beautiful. But these are accent lights that go in on the floor, so they shine from the lawn up. So instead of what you're gonna see here, because I'm gonna edit in the video, I'm gonna put the way that the other lights that our Niva Mae does. I'm gonna show the complement. So it's basically lights from the top, and these that we're gonna see today here are the lights from the bottom. And what's great about these lights, all of them, right, all the variations, and is that they are app controlled, so you can control the colors that you want, the combinations, the shows. You can automate, you can make it look beautiful. And what's awesome about this is, of course, that they can be festive, right, for the Christmas time, but they're permanent, so you can keep them the rest of the year. And then the rest of the year you can, just have white light, or nice 5200 Kelvin light, which is it has a yellowish hue, but look, it makes your house look more homey and more beautiful. You can have in Halloween you can make it yellow or orange, or in Easter you can use pastel colors, so you can decorate your house with these lights the whole year, because the purpose of these lights is for them to be permanent. This is the box, how it comes. Oops, I shouldn't have done that, but well, you saw it. So this is what comes in the box. Let me show you. It comes ready to play, right? Everything comes in the box. The most important thing right here, the remote control, right? And the lights. These are LED lights, and these LED lights, it's LED is short for light emitting diode. They can do thousands of different colors, and they are super efficient. They don't have to be big. They don't get hot like the old school lights, and you can put them anywhere, right? So let me show you how it looks. You see, it has this Fresnel in the front. This Fresnel magnifies the power of the bulb that is in there, or the diode that is in there, right? It's a cup light kind of diode where you can get all kinds of colors, and it's amazing. Now, the great thing about this is that it comes in a set of 6. You see? They all come together, right? All you have to do is pick where you want to set them, right? And it comes with everything you need. You see? It comes with the stakes, right? These stakes, this is what you dig into the ground, right? You dig this into the ground, and you connect it to the light in the side. You see? So you screw it to the side, and then you stick it there, and this arm reticulates, so you can put whatever angle you want on it, right? You can put any angle you want, and then you put these on the lawn. You stick them on the lawn, and you can control these with an app. It comes with everything you need, and I'm just gonna plug it in to see how cool these lights are. So now they're plugged in. You can start them. Actually, I'm gonna lower the lights in here so that we can see how beautiful these lights are, right? But it has these buttons right here you can control locally. So and it says that it can also go to the rhythm of the music. So there you go. Lights have been turned on. Let me turn off the lights here. Okay, so now you see the lights right here. Really bright, really beautiful. Let's change the colors. So now you see it has a nice multicolor light show now, right? So there's different kind of programming that you can use, you see. And if you notice, and this is real cool, it is talking, or it's lighting, right? The show is starting, or the lights are being activated by my voice. So if you set these up real nice in a place where there's music, this is going to, with a nice house music beat, you know that these lights are gonna dance to the music. So, I mean, I'm a DJ, I'm a mobile DJ. I'm almost tempted to take these lights and just put them in the room and have them, you know, activate with the beat of the music. I love it. So there's different use cases, but the truth is that what I love about these lights is that they can be permanent, right? So they're outdoor lights. They're meant to take a beating, cold weather, hot weather, doesn't matter. You put them out there, you leave them, and then, you know, you turn them on with the remote control, right? And it's perfect because the way it works is you can build an ambiance for your house whenever you want, right? So if you want a festive look to it, if you want a spooky look to it in Halloween, if you want a Christmas light sort of show like this, you know, because these are shining in different colors. And what's perfect about this is that these lights, right, each bulb change colors at whatever color they want, right? So you have thousands of combinations here to have fun. I mean, in the box it shows you that, you know, you could definitely, you know, set it up. You see, set it up on the floor so that it points up, and then if you want to do it for a house, right, you can set it up so that it shines, right, so the lights are reflected on the sides of the house, on the sidings of the house. But the truth is that there's so many uses for this, and I am thankful that you guys sent this to me, and I think this, I'm going to definitely use this a lot. In another video, I will install them outside so that you see how they look, right, and how much fun we can have this with this. So this is great for Christmas, this is great for any holiday, but if you're watching this, you know, right before Christmas, it's the best time to buy this. Merry Christmas.